Hello, my name is Jakub and I will guide you through our flagship Lisa X Performance Set. What is Lisa X Performance Set? Basically, everything you need to introduce high-performance SLS 3D printing to your workflow. It consists of Lisa X, multi-PHS, SLS Sandblaster, ATEX certified vacuum cleaner and everything else you might need. And you know what? The entire performance set is ATEX certified for your safety. Let's take a look at the components of the performance set, starting with Lisa X, the third generation of our SLS 3D printers. You can take advantage of 130 by 180 by 330 mm build volume, blazing fast printing, an intuitive user interface, and multiple sensors that ensure your printer is always ready to do the job. Have you ever wondered how an SLS 3D printer works? Take a look. Recoater takes powder from the reservoir and spreads an even layer on top of the print bed. Then the laser sinters the surface of the powder, creating a single slice, and then the whole process repeats. But how do I start with this? It's very simple. After preparing the file with our dedicated software, Sinterit Studio, you can upload it over local network or with a USB flash drive directly. Then the printer will guide you through all the necessary steps. You can monitor the progress of the print job, even remotely. Once the print is done, it's time to clean the models. This is where the multi-PHS, our depowdering station, comes in an easy and fast way, starting with removing the cake from the printer and placing it on top of multi-PHS. Don't forget to close the lid. It's designed to keep the whole process clean and safe. The top of the device has two grids. The bigger one takes care of the bulk of the powder, and the smaller one helps with dusting of the models. Easy, right? Did you know you can recover up to 95% of powder used in the printing process? You're not just achieving high-quality prints, you're also optimizing material cost and reducing the waste. In the meantime, we can clean the printer. A detachable hose and different attachments make a short work of it. The overflow, which collects excess powder, can be emptied directly into the multi-PHS. Now for the final touch, our SLS Sandblaster. Specially designed to complement parts printed on Lisa X, it removes any loosely attached particles, ensuring a clean, smooth surface and precise dimensions. The optimized size and perfectly adjusted seals work in harmony with our ATEX certified vacuum cleaner. Last but not least, let's take a look at ATEX Vacuum Cleaner. This inconspicuous device provides a vacuum for the operation of the multi-PHS and the SLS Sandblaster. Simple, convenient, reliable device that will do the job for you without any hesitation. In summary, the Lisa X Performance Set is a comprehensive, open, and innovative solution that merges advanced technology with superior quality. It's designed for professionals who demand precision, versatility, and cost efficiency without compromise. For more information, visit our website at sinterit.com.